Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gwen CV Chan. In this video, we're going to be showing you our trip to Cebu in Ocean Park. So guys, we're now going to be entering the jungle trek. First thing you see is a bunch of chains. Next, the place is very beautiful and it's a really good place to spend time with your family. The first animal we saw was a baby crocodile. The next animal is a blood red parrotfish. They're very big and they love to swim in a big place. The place is very natural. So the next animal we saw was like those little blood red parrotfish but smaller. Now we're going to be seeing some way bigger fish. Next, we're going to be entering into different things.
They're everywhere, Jan. They're everywhere.
And next, here we see some more fishes. Here it says that it's an archer fish. They have a really big swimming place, so it's very healthy for them. Next, we see some even more bigger fish. Some are white, some are black. This one is black, and they're so big. This place looks like a jungle. So when we enter this cave, we can see some more fishes. And here you can take pictures with the big fishes. They're so pretty. So next, we can see some electric catfish. If you don't know what's a catfish, it's a fish that has whiskers. This fish likes lakes and tropical places. Next, we see an iguana. This iguana is very big. Orange, black, and green. Next, we have some fishes. Koi fish. We're going to be entering this cave, and here you can see some white snakes. They're so big. And here you can see some lizards. This is an iguana. It's very pretty. It has its own basket. And then next you can see some birds. I think they are lovebirds. And here is another lizard. The next animal is very scary. It's tarantula, some insects and bugs, and a green snake. There's some more snakes, like this yellow snake, this green snake, an orange snake, a black snake, and I don't know what this is called. Next is another green snake, an orange snake, and a Komodo dragon. Next, we're going to be going up this escalator. We'll see where it takes us. And here is a lorry ride. We're going to be going here and seeing what will be next. So when you enter, we can see a bunch of birds. There's also a place where you have to pay to feed them. These birds are very pretty. And here's me feeding them. Some even went to my head. These birds have pretty colors like blue, red, and blue. They're only good to you if you feed them.
Kuya. Di na mama.
Face mask ko
It's a really nice place to take pictures.
Ya no.
Kabalo mo po sila.
These birds has a big place to fly. It's a good thing they put a net so that they won't fly away. And the view is amazing too. It's a really good place to take pictures. And here is Seven Seas. It's a place where there's lots of fishes. So here we can see where the room is dark and they put lights in their tank. We can see different types of fish. Here we have some angelfish. There are some other fishes too. They have a big place to swim around. And there are some other fishes. There you can even crawl in. Here's a whitefish. These fishes are very pretty. So here are some other fishes. They're colorful fishes, but they're very tiny. Like those fishes. Here we have a blue place with Nemo. Some other whitefishes too. Here you can even go inside to take pictures. There's a big wall full of fish ponds. Here you can see other fishes. These fishes are very lovely. Nice place to swim. Here's the whole place. Here is a weird fish. It's yellow and black. And there's a lot of other ones. There's a lot of fishes like them too. There's some fish hiding in the corals. They love to hide when they see people. Here's some other fish. That fish camouflages and it looks like a rock. Even this one. And this is an eel. There's a lot of them. And these are a bunch of other fish. And here is the outside. You can see lots of other fishes. You can even go inside to see them. There's a poster where you can take pictures with your family. And look at the fishes. They're so pretty. And you can even swim with them. There's even a place where you can have some snacks if you're hungry. And here
Can I go down there?
is a crocodile. And here is where you can look in. Here is an amazing fish where when you walk in, it's a whole room full of fish. You can even sit down. There is a whale shark. Sharks. There's some stingray and some other fishes. Whoa. It's a nice place to go here. There's the stingray. Here's a big fish. can even walk in. You see so many fish. Here you can see some divers playing with the fishes. They're even feeding them. That guy is surrounded by fishes. Lots of the fish go there to eat. And there's some more fish. And the big eater. You can go here and eat some food while watching the fish. There's some tables. There's a cafe. You can even sit in the stairs. Sometimes people can eat. You can even order like water and juices. And there are the divers playing with the fish. Here's a closer look. They're currently feeding with the fish. At the very end, there's a bird show. They show a parrot.
Into two groups. For the
And
boys,
you can
let
show
me hear you
different
cheer for
tricks that you
blue.
can
Say,
do.
go blue,
Even
go
show some
blue,
math, some
blue,
games like basketball.
And for the girls, let me hear you cheer for Azul. So are you guys ready for the basketball game? Yes! Again, louder. Are you guys ready
And
for the
those are their
basketball game?
trainers.
Yes! Alright, birds ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Let's go, birds!
You
First
can
ball
even
for
play some
both birds.
games.
Second ball for both
Let's see
birds.
who's the winner.
And blue wins this game. So it's okay, Azul. Let's go, birds. Let's go, Azul. First ring for
And
blue.
even some hoop games where you can
Okay,
put them in the
that's
hoop.
it. Azul picks up. Now
They
blue
can
flies
even fly
over,
to get a
picks the money.
volunteer. They ask a volunteer from the crowd
What's next,
to
Blue?
hold a bird.
Blue flies back on the table and blue wants to donate the money.
And here's
So
some
that
other
right there is
parrots. They can
This is
even go
red
close
and
to
back
you.
is Azul.
They even let them fly to different places.
Kuya,
So let's start. Now on your right, that macaw is mostly covered with
It
red
can even say
feathers.
hello.
Its wings and tail feathers are colored blue and green.
Lots
That
of people
macaw is a
taking
white
videos.
face stripe with small red
And
feathers.
here's another parrot.
Its scientific name is
This time it's blue, yellow, and green.
Now here in Cebu Ocean
Here's
Park, we
another
have
one,
two
which
blue
is
and
red.
gold macaw. We have blue and azul. Now it's parrot getting greeted with their trainer.
You can say hi to the parrots. They'll say hi back. And here's
Now these
also a
birds
white
are
one.
endemic
They're a
to
little bit
Ceylon
red.
and Colombo, Eastern Indonesia. There you go, our gravity pipe.
There's
Scientifically
also
known
an
as
eagle that will
polyester.
fly.
These eagles can typically be found in the Indian subcontinent.
We'll even go around different places.
Surfing eagle, scientifically known as Flornus holosphelos.
Here's a different type of bird.
Now you guys might wonder, what do we feed them here in Cebu Ocean Park? So we
It
feed
will
them
fly
sliced
from one
beef,
place to another.
and that is it for Philippine surf.
In here, some pigeons. And here is the gift shop where you can buy animals. This place is a really fun place to go with your family. Your kids will love the gift shop. Bye, see you in the next vlog. Please subscribe.